With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says select the correct statement with respect to the cardiac cycle. The first statement here says that increase in the atrial pressure, that means pressure inside the atrium or the auricles on both the side, causes the closure of the atrioventricular valves. But the closure of the atrioventricular valves is associated with the start of the ventricular systole when the pressure inside the ventricles increases. So, when the ventricles undergo systole or contraction, the pressure inside the ventricles is going to increase, because of which there will be increase in the pressure, and this causes the closure of the atrioventricular valves, which is the tricuspid valve on the right side of the heart and the bicuspid valve on the left side of the heart. So this statement which is given here is a wrong statement, while the second statement says upon receiving stimulation from SA node, atria and ventricle contract simultaneously. SA node is the pacemaker of the heart and it stimulates the atrial muscles, that means the atria on both the sides, that is right atrium and the left atrial wall, will be stimulated when the SA node gives stimulation. It is not connected with the contraction of the ventricles, so this is also the wrong statement. The third statement says that the major filling of the ventricles occurs during the atrial systole, while the major filling of the ventricles takes place during the giant diastole when both the atria and the ventricles are relaxing, and thus the pressure inside the heart is less. So atria and ventricles both get filled majorly during that time. So the ventricles will receive the blood from the atria, while atria receives it from the pulmonary veins as well as from the superior and the inferior vena cava. So this statement also is the wrong statement, whereas the fourth statement, which says a fall in the ventricular pressure during ventricular diastole causes closure of the semilinear valves. While there are two types of semilinear valves, one which is guarding the aorta, these are called as aortic semilinear valves, and one which is guarding the pulmonary artery are called as pulmonary semilinear valves. So both these valves, they get closed and brings about a heart sound, which is the second heart sound, and this occurs when the ventricular diastole occurs, thereby decreasing the pressure inside the ventricles, because of which the blood tends to flow back into the ventricles, and this tendency of the blood from the aorta and the pulmonary artery to flow back into the ventricles causes the closure of the aortic and the pulmonary semilinear valves. So here option number 4 becomes the right answer for this question. This is all about this query, so we can mark option 4 as the right statement here, right? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.